Solumina plays best in the highly complex and regulated manufacturing environment, particularly aerospace, defense, and space satellites and propulsions, where products are serialized and engineering changes are constant, and also traceability and auditability. It's not like an option or nice to have; is a mandatory to be compliant. So these are typically like it plays well with the large enterprises or critical suppliers with long product life cycle, with strict regulatory oversight that is needed, and they need to synchronize engineering, manufacturing, and quality across not just one plant but many sites, and along with partner suppliers as well. So it's also from the IT perspective, our customers tend to value control, security, longevity over experimentation. So we'll play strongest in the United States and Europe in particular right now, but we're seeing rapid expansion globally, even with our existing customers with global expansions because there's a huge amount of investment going into defense and space. So we don't try to be everything to everyone, but we're optimized for hottest manufacturing problems.